My video is on anatomical evidence. The first question is, what are homologous structures? Homologous structures are similar because of their common ancestry. Examples of this are the leg of a dog and the flipper of a dolphin. Now, you might say to yourself, the leg of a dog runs and supports the animal and walks, and the flipper of a dolphin swims. But these things are not the same, don't look the same, don't have the same function. Well, you're correct. The leg of a dog and the flipper of a dolphin are common because of the bone structure inside of them. They don't look the same on the outside, but on the inside they look similar. This proves evidence for evolution because they show common ancestry. The common ancestry goes back millions of years ago or thousands of years ago. And when the leg of a dog and the flipper of a dolphin were both on the same animal, not individually, but it had the structure that evolved down millions of years into what is now a dog that has a leg and a dolphin that has flippers. Another example of this is the arms of primates, front flippers of whales, and wings of bats and birds. These also show evidence of common ancestry because of the shape of the bones and the location of the bones in these animals. The next point is, what is an analogous structure? Analogous shows similar selective pressures, such as wings. The wings won't look the same on a butterfly and a bat, or a bird, or an eagle, or anything like that. But they do the same thing. They all are used to fly. And these birds do not fly the same as butterflies, and they don't look the same. They're not the same color, they aren't the same structure, but due to natural pressures, these wings of these birds and the butterflies all do the same thing. Another example of this is sweet potatoes and regular potatoes. They don't look the same, they don't taste the same, but they all provide the same nutrients used to people that eat it. This brings me to my next point. Analogous versus homologous. Homologous have similar embryonic origins, such as bones and flippers, but analogous have similar functions, like the wings of the butterfly. These functions are used in different ways and are seen in different animals. The last thing is, what is a vestigial structure? These vestigial structures have no apparent function, such as a human appendix, a pelvic bone of a snake, the wings of a flightless bird. The wings of a flightless bird are just there. They don't do anything, and the human appendix doesn't do anything either. The pelvic bone of the snake, they don't use. They once evolved from a common ancestor, which also proves examples of natural selection and evolution.